Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you like our previous videos. If you like, please subscribe our channel and share our videos to your friends and like, share, comment. Today we will learn about fruits name. In our previous video we have learned few fruits names, and in this video we will learn some more fruits names. Number 1, avocado. 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 Watermelon. 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 Number 3, pear. 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 Apricot. Number 4, apricot. 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 Number 5, pumpkin. 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 Number 6, kiwi. 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 Okay, now let's review. Fruits names. Number 1, avocado. Number 2, watermelon. Number 3, pear. Number 4, apricot. Number 5, pumpkin. Number 6, kiwi. Let's repeat. Avocado, watermelon, pear, apricot, pumpkin, kiwi. Avocado, watermelon, pear, apricot, pumpkin, kiwi. If you like our channel, do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel and share it to your friends, family.